What's up, boy? It's Lando, aka Landisha, coming to you from my YouTube channel. Happy New Year! And I'm going to show you how I got this Ganja Green hair color, so keep on watching. So the hair I'm using is by Janet Collection, their Lbaaj collection, and it comes with 3 bundles, the 24, 22, 20 inch, and of course this janky ass closure, which yeah, we don't need to talk about. And of course it's in the color 613. So I'm going to be watercolor dyeing this hair, and the first color I'm using is by Jasmine Clairol, and it is the Clairol Jasmine hair dye, and it is in the color Bold Gold. And yeah, first thing I'm doing is just adding the dye to the water so I can mix it all together, get it nice and ready for the hair. And as you guys are going to see in a little bit, this color didn't really do anything to the hair. I realized shortly after that this was actually a sheer hair color, whatever the hell that means. And I only got this because at my beauty supply store that I went to, I was actually wanted to get the electric yellow Adore color, but they were out of that, and they didn't have a yellow hair dye in the Kiss Express colors, so I saw this and just decided to go for it. And as you guys can see, the hair wasn't turning any type of color. Every time that I took the hair out the water, it just looked like it was wet, and that's it. And yeah, I just kept dunking the hair in and out of the water, just hoping and praying for a miracle that this hair would turn yellow like it looked like on the bottle. But it didn't. So after a while, I just gave up on that hair color altogether and just squeezed whatever remaining water was in the hair and decided to move on to the next color. So the next color I'm using is by Kiss Express, and it is in the color Emerald Green. And I'm just adding that like before to the hot water in my little tin, whatever the hell you want to call it. And I'm just taking a plastic fork just to mix the hair dye around so there's no clumps, because if the dye is all clumped up, there might be some patchiness. And when you're dyeing the wig, I never had any problems, but you know, just want to make sure the mixture is just nice and smooth. So I'm just taking the hair from the tip up and just dunking that into the water and just slowly but surely submerging the whole wig in the water. And as you guys can see, once I took this hair out the water, it took so well to the dye. And it was exactly what I was going for. Actually, I thought that this color was going to be a little more green, but you know what? It was a little more on the blue side, but I did not mind at all. And it was at this point right here that I just decided to dunk the whole wig into the water. And once I took that hair out the water, it looked exactly how I wanted it to. Of course, right now it's looking a little dark and a little more blue, but that's because the hair is soaking wet, and once it dried down completely, the actual top half of the hair wasn't as deep of a blue as you guys saw in the beginning shots and as you guys are going to see at the end. But I'm not mad at all. This hair came out exactly how I wanted it to. And I'm just going in and dunking the hair in and out of the water dye mixture just to make sure every single strand of hair is coated and soaked with this dye, because you know, you don't want any patchiness in your hair, don't want any blonde streaks whatsoever. I mean, if that's what you're going for, then you know, go ahead, but I had a vision in mind and I wanted to execute that as flawlessly as possible, okay? But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. This is the end result. The hair came out exactly how I wanted it to. And yeah, I'm living for this hair. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to see any more videos like this, let me know. I have a few already filmed and planned out. And yeah, give this video a like, thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and of course subscribe. And until my next video, I will talk to all of you guys soon. Bye.